Hi, so my name's Tara and I am going to show you how to do a cross stitch for your PDF family cross stitch kit or pattern. As you can see, I've started this one already and I'm just going to take a bit of my thread and thread my needle. So I'm just going to show you how to do the basic cross stitch, and I use 6 strands of thread, which apparently no one else really does. Everyone sort of uses 2 or 3 strands of thread, which I can see is a heck of a lot easier, but I do like the texture that 6 threads give. So if this is the full amount of threads, you can see it's quite chunky. You can also notice that I always try and do my crossovers in the same way, so each little cross has been done, well, I'll show you actually. Here we go. So let's do a bit of the sleeve. Alright, so I've taken my needle, I've got it threaded, I haven't put any knots in it, and I've got one short tail and one long tail. So I'm going to go in from the back. Okay, so I'm just going to find a hole in the sleeve over here. So there we go. I'm just going to come up through there. Now I'm not going to pull all the way through. I'm just going to pop my finger just across the back and just hold that down. Okay, so then I'm going to go from right to left. You can go from left to right and then pull that through, and then my finger's holding onto the tension on the back, and then I pop the needle through. You can see, so on the top right corner, pull that up, and then that goes down into the bottom left corner. So I'll do that again. I'll come up next. Oh. I'm trying to look through the screen and not actually at the fabric. Come up this way. Okay, so going from bottom right to top left, and then we're coming back in from top right to bottom left. Now it doesn't matter which way you do it. If you have slight OCD like I do, you might want to keep going and do the same way, but it doesn't matter. It's all about the kind of texture that you like and how you like it to be. Just all of my cross stitches that I do and produce are all stitched the same way. So you can just sort of keep going. Now, the thing with having 6 strands of thread, so the whole bit of thread, is that it's not easy to always see the holes. So you might be coming up and the hole's already full because you've got all this other thread already in there. Same as trying to go down through this hole. You can't even see there's a hole there, you just know there is. So it's the point of least resistance where you need to push through, cut back up. And then you can see there's actually no hole there. And then go straight back down.